I understand, buddy. I understand. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Been a while since we talked like this. Oh, I got the sun behind me. You can't really see me well. Let's just look at my bike. Look at this gorgeous bike. So yeah, 3.5 weeks. Let's call it 3.5 weeks from Forgotten Angels. Yeah, it's coming up quick. If you haven't looked it up, look on the bottom of the screen here. www.forgottenangelsflorida.org. So get a local look up the charity and check out what it's about. Help them young men and women now who have aged out of foster care or find themselves out on the street with nowhere to go and need a helping hand. As they're fond of saying, it's a second chance to get a first chance. A lot of these guys have never been given a chance at life. They've just been thrown in the wind and went, survive, fly, you're free, and have no clue what to do. Some of them, man, go down the wrong path. Some of them just don't know what to do. But this is a definite opportunity for these young men and women now to get a second chance. And I keep saying women now because now they actually have a home for women now. Yep, that's right. If you're familiar with foster care, when kids turn 18, the state will no longer allow them to live well, I guess the state allows them to be helped out, but they don't pay as much as they would, let's say, a 10-year-old, a 14-year-old, a 5-year-old. So when kids turn 18, the state no longer gives the stipend to the foster parents. And some foster parents, they don't care. They're not in it for the money. They're there to help kids. Some of them, that's all they care about is the money. And if it's difference between getting $1,000, $1,200 a month for a kid and getting half of that, then they're going to go for the full amount because that's all they care about. And the sad state of foster care these days is there's so many kids in the foster care system that, you know, the states will, you know, basically say we're thankful we could keep them somewhere until they were 18, and they just don't turn a blind eye to it, but they're just like, there's nothing we can do. If they're not being abused in the foster care system, there's nothing we can do. A lot of them are abused, get taken out of that family, get put in another one. They're abusing now and they get put in another one. So some of these kids have been around the block. Some of these kids have been to, you know, 10, 12, 20 homes in their 18 years in the foster care system. Some of these kids didn't have, you know, all 18 years in. They got into it late, but it was at the point of their life where they start going, who am I, where am I supposed to be, and what am I supposed to do? And they're left, you know, they're left dangling in the breeze because there's no way to help them. So what Forgotten Angels does, it takes these kids in, gives them a place to live, starts to teach them skills that they should have been taught as younger adults, like drive, how to write a check, how to tie their shoes, how to look for a job, how to work on a car. And it even gives them more skills because while they're on the property, they have to work, they have to earn their keep. So they, on top of getting a job, they get an opportunity to build their own little tiny home to live in. So they learn how to do things like wiring, plumbing, roofing, painting, carpentry. And then the lovely people like Shelby and Weems and Ship will teach them how to work on cars, work on bikes, how to do things that normal kids, you know, learn how to do young, you know, when they start going through driver's ed and stuff. But in this instance, they don't, because nobody's really willing to teach them. Enter Forgotten Angels. David will teach them how to ride motorcycles, how to drive a car, how to do things, again, like I would have taught my kids to do when they were much, much younger, and when they started going through driver's ed. Okay, let's drive a car. Okay, let's learn things. So, if you haven't looked it up, let me summarize this. Go to www.forgottenangelsflorida.org and buy a raffle ticket for a motorcycle, which is also something else that Forgotten Angels and Shade Tree and all the boys and girls down there help to do. Is they raffle off motorcycles. They have a charity twice a year, and wonderful people like Skittles work really hard for these events to entertain you, to make sure that you're having a good time there. David and Cindy, you know, they work to get actual live entertainment there to entertain you. I don't know. And then, you know, some Skittles and all the locals down there will get games together, motorcycle games and off motorcycle games, I guess, to help people out. This year we have Power Wheels. We're going to get Power Wheels, a lot of us. We're going to paint them up, we're going to super them up, we're going to over-energize them, put bigger batteries on them, put more voltage to them, and hopefully not destroy them and burn them to the ground, but hopefully have a race on the Power Wheels. If you've ever seen something dumb and stupid, let me tell you how dumb and stupid it is to have full-grown men, bikers, 200 or 300 pounds, trying to squeeze inside of Power Wheels just to raise money and race for you, to entertain you, to bring more attention to this awesome organization, this awesome charity that helps young men and women. So I know you're not busy, you're sitting on the couch. If you're watching this video, you're sitting on the couch or on the toilet. Look up www.forgottenageflorida.org, go over there, buy a ticket, you know, win for it, you know, enter for a chance to get a motorcycle or something cool. And they even, you know, if you win one of these bikes, they'll fly you down there, they'll entertain you for the weekend, they'll take you out, you get to hang out with Shade Tree Surgeon and maybe Jalisi, you know, maybe some of the gorgeous ladies who have also donated their time. And you can go fishing, you can go kayaking, you can just go out and hang out in a boat and drink and watch other people fish. You're gonna have a good time. So enter the raffle, get something cool, and have a good time. And if you don't win, you're gonna have a good time and you're supporting a great cause. So the tickets to the camp out are $100. You can also get those at, guess where? www.forgottenangelsflorida.org. And go down there, camp out. It's free food, free beer. You can throw your tent up out there, or you can stay at a hotel if you want to. Doesn't matter. It doesn't cost any more though to bring a tent, hang out with all your friends down there, or your new friends, let's make some friends, and have a good time. Every year, you know, we have rides planned, we have dinners planned, we have breakfast planned, we have onesie rides planned, we have all kinds of cool things to do. So, in short, guess what? Go to www.forgottenangelsflorida.org and enter for your chance to win and have a good time. Buy your ticket to the camp out. Camp out is going to be the weekend, I believe it's 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th. So it's basically the Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday before Halloween, over the weekend. That's when it is. In case I'm not really good at dating. I'm pretty sure that's the dates. Don't quote me on that, but show up anyway. Look it up. I'll tell you what, if you go on the website, they will tell you exactly when the dates are. You can show up at Thursday at noon, hang out until, you know, Sunday at noon. So that's all I got today. Another short video. I've been working a new job, have not had a chance to get out on the bikes in a long time. Of course, if you've kept up with my Instagram, if you have kept up, what the heck's wrong with me? I've been working hard, people. So yeah, on Instagram, I've told you guys I got a new job. I don't have to ride to work anymore. Let me say I don't get to ride to work anymore. I have a company truck that I drive all over the place, and that's how I get from my house to whatever place I'm going to work. So the bikes are getting abused. Yeah. And when I mean abused, I mean I'm leaving them at home like a dog like a dog in a hot car with no radio on. What the hell, man? I'm a horrible person. But the BMW has wore out completely the tire on the back. It's the first time in probably 10 years I've worn a bike tire all the way down to the wires. And I'm gonna say I got my mileage out of it. I got 9,000 miles out of that tire, which may not seem a lot if you guys just are, you know, used to driving cruisers, but on a big touring bike, 9,000 miles is pretty good. I do run a softer tread because, again, I ride in the rain. If you watch the channel, you know I run a softer tread because I'm out on the bike from, you know, January to December and the crossover day in between. So I gotta have the nice soft tread because I'm riding in snow, I'm riding in rain, I'm driving in ice. If you know that video, I actually had a crash in the ice because well, I did. I didn't have to, I just kind of did. It wasn't on purpose, just because I was dumb enough to go out during an ice storm. So anyway, just took the bike out today. I got off early from work today, which means I only worked an 8-hour shift. and I decided to get the new sports round. I know that's all painted up and it's gorgeous. Get it out and ride it around for your entertainment and for mine too. So. Hey, now you can see me. I did get a new helmet, but I still have this one because I have it. I mean, I'm all sweaty. I got nasty at work today, and I figured, like, I'm not going to go throw my brand new helmet on because that would be kind of... I'm not sure what that would be kind of, but anyway, you get what I'm saying. You feel me? So I threw the old helmet on because I just didn't want to get the brand new one dirty with all the weird stuff that's on me. My pants are dirty, my shirt's dirty, but I'm having a good time. And I smell really, really bad. It was also one of the good things when I was riding the bike to work every day. If I stunk at the end of the day, just jump on the motorcycle. And it'd blow most of the stink off of me by the time I got home. And then the dog would want to hang out with me. And the wife. Alright guys, I know this is a short video, but I just wanted to get this out and get some pre-Forgotten Angels footage in. This weekend I'm actually going to Tampa. So I will be doing Tampa things this weekend. So anyway, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and check out Forgotten Angels Florida. I'll throw the link down one more time because, well, because I can. I'm me. I do what I want. I'm a grown-ass man. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Look at that. That's a road with a bunch of twisties. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to do twisties. I'm going to make motorcycle sounds. I'm on a motorcycle. I'm going to make motorcycle sounds. Blah 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 blah